Hey there! Today, you will learn how to edit a Zoho form through this comprehensive guide. Subscribe and press the bell icon to stay updated on our other easy-to-follow videos and tutorials.
Let's say you want to make some changes to a form that already exists. Place the cursor over a form you want to work with and click on Edit icon. You will see a Builder page. If you want to delete any field that you don't need anymore, click on Delete icon on the right. You may need another field. For example, you want to know a country which your visitor is from. Drag a single line field from the left panel and drop. In this case, your visitor will enter the name of the country manually. Or if you want to offer specific options to choose, take a drop-down field. Make appropriate changes. Enter the field's name and required options. Check Other if you want to add this option. Save. That's it. Your form was successfully edited.
Thank you for watching. That was a comprehensive guide on how to edit a Zoho form. Stay tuned for more Zoho form-related tutorials. Help us grow our community. Hit like, subscribe, and share this video to people you know. Do you have questions or clarifications? Send them our way at knowhow@customerization.ca.